Is that tender when I press on this left side?
It is right there.
Yeah. Yeah, that left side's really soft, Peter. Your dog's gonna get so many likes.
No, you're like, oh my god, he needs a haircut.
Deep breath in. Exhale out. Alright, go on your side, face this way. Scoot forward. Put that thumb in that way. Go to the other side. How'd that feel? Scoot forward this way. Keep coming this way. There you go. Relax right here. Good. I promise I won't go that hard on you. Scoot it up. Yeah. Relax a little bit more. Good. You're still holding on a little bit. There you go. And then scoot down just a tad. Bend both of your legs. Oh, that's too much. Come back up. I don't have the strap. Keep coming back up. Alright, bend both of your knees. Like bend, put them on the table. There you go. Now just bend them. There you go. Exhale out here. Alright, stand up. How do you feel?
Decompress. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Feel that better.
Okay.
Not as tense.
Good. Why are you freaking out?